Hello, in this video I will show you how to use Wallpaper engine on Motorola Moto G84. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store and now click on search bar and type in Wallpaper engine and click search and now click install. And now click open. And here you can just use default wallpapers for now. And if you want to use Steam Workshop wallpapers, you will have to connect your phone with your PC. And to do that, you have to start with connecting both your phones and PC with the same Wi-Fi network. And then click here on not connected. And now select your PC. And then click here on your PC on mobile, and then click on connect new device. And now you have to type in your pairing code. And as you can see, your phone and PC are now paired. And now on your PC you can select wallpaper that you want to send to your phone, and then click this button, send to Moto G84. And as you can see, your wallpaper is now on your phone. You can align it now to match your display. And now click here on check mark. Now click OK. And now click set wallpaper. And you can choose if you want to see this wallpaper on your home screen or on your home screen and lock screen. And now your wallpaper should be set. Yes, as you can see, my wallpaper is now animated. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.